Alright, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Let me just get a cold start for y'all. Wasn't even in Sport Plus, but I don't like to start my car in Sport Plus. Nice POV tonight. I got a soccer game at 9. I just left school, but I forgot my food, so I'm going back to grab it for my boys real quick. There's gonna be a crazy snowstorm tonight. I'm gonna probably get stuck in it. So I don't know if the video is gonna be done by the time the snowstorm starts, but if not, I'll show y'all. I'm just gonna run back over my school real quick. I feel like I never really drive in there. Only when I'm making like a school POV, I probably drive through, but on a regular day, I'm never there, bro, because I ain't paying for parking. This shit cold too. I ain't even gonna do nothing too crazy yet. Should I do it? Man, I ain't gonna do nothing crazy, but I like doing pulls through the school for some reason. But my car is very cold, so I know for a fact I can't go too crazy just yet. They gonna hear my car, they gonna know I'm pulling up. I think they're right in there. I hope I don't get a ticket. Like, these people be watching though. Like, I'm legit just running in there and back out. I hope they don't ticket me though. I don't know how crazy I look right now. My car is dirty as fuck too. I probably look so crazy. I have a big ass GoPro on my head. Going in here, and this place is packed. Everyone drinking and shit, but I don't give a fuck, bro. Yo, I'm recording, bro. I'm making a video. I ain't even stopping it, bro. Yeah, I'll blur y'all out. If you cool? You cool being in the video, or you don't care? Y'all chill. Yeah, I'm hopping back my car right now. I don't know. I gotta run though. I'm gonna be late. Yeah. Yeah, you can hear my shit from inside. Tell me if you can hear it. Yeah, tell me if you can hear it. I'm a pass, bro. Alright, let's see. I hope they heard it. I hope one of them were recording. I should have said that actually. I should have told my boy to record just to see what it looks like from in there. Probably looks crazy. Alright though. My thing ain't warm yet, so I'ma just cruise right now. I just saw a group of people back there. Let me see if y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see a little bit. I always be giving people pulls. I can tell they wanted me to, so I just did it. It's probably even copyright to put this on YouTube. I don't know, but I'm just chilling tonight. I'm hoping the storm ain't too bad because I'm trying to get home safe, but I'll pick up the camera once this car is warm though. Hey, my car ain't even warm yet, but I saw WRX, and every time I'm not recording, the best things happen. So I'm just recording just in case he wants to run it or something. Let me put them yellow lights on so he knows I'm active. I never raced one of these in my car before. The craziest car I raced was a ISF, and it was on the highway too, but we're doing like a 60 kilometers though, or some shit like that, I don't know. And I actually walked him. I was stage 2 at the time, and I'm surprised I could beat the ISF. I'm pretty sure he's probably stock, but nah, I don't think you want to run it. Or should I cut up? I never really cut up, bro. You see, I got a charger. I know this boy was gonna run it. I don't know if he as crazy as me though. I don't cut up, but I'm a crazy ass guy. I think you're probably getting the exit though. Yeah, I'm pop something pretty good. I'm only 3 minutes from the field. I'm gonna just be recording the whole time because I feel like it's a short video. I feel like my videos, yeah, I feel like my videos recently has been so short because my last video was like 5 minutes or so. I gotta put my window up. All y'all gonna hear is the wind. I'm so happy they didn't put off this game. Like my game tomorrow was put off. I was so sad, bro. I really wanted to play. And I thought they were gonna cancel this one because the snowstorm, it should be starting at like 9:30. Let me put this all the way down. It is freezing. I just have my shirt on.